Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
Alright, well, we got one post in. Going in for some supper. Ran a little low on the old cement, so filler stones. Yeah, quite the operation we got here. Got the hoe, got the ropes, braces. Yeah, we'll get this another post in, and that'll be the 8. There's a nice shot of it. So yeah, basically just gonna take the 2x4 hangers, attach them to the sides, roll the chicken wire back, you know, smooth up the bottom here, make sure no critters can get in, and then a big old Gilbert Gardens somewhere up there. Yeah, a couple weeks. Alright, so that's the end of today's little vlog. We've got both 6x6s in, braced. I think I'll leave the hoe on it all night. It's kind of setting its ways there. Ropes and rigging. I think I'm going to try to pull this trailer out and dump all the gravel and sand on the path there. And I'll smooth it out. Won't hurt. It's only about $30 worth of material. Like I said, hook these up. A little bit of grading around the gates, and we're finally closed in. Got Darcy on the pressure washer cleaning the cement mixer. Yeah, huge success. Massive job. Well, not really a massive job, but you know, with the machine, there's not much you can't do. Anyways, thanks Darcy, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time.